Welcome to this video of the Superlearning Masterclass. In this video, I would like to present to you the curriculum of this course. So what exactly are you going to learn in this masterclass? First of all, what we're going to do in this course is we're going to start out defining what superlearning and what accelerated learning is. So where is exactly the difference? What exactly is accelerated learning? What exactly is superlearning? Then afterwards we're going to talk about the anatomy of the brain. So how, for instance, is the brain shaped? Which part of the brain does what? Then in the third part of this course, we're going to talk about the 8 types of intelligence. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the linguistic intelligence, about logical/mathematical intelligence, visual intelligence, bodily intelligence, as well as musical/emotional/social, as well as interpersonal and environmental intelligence. And then in the fourth part of this course, we're going to talk about the 4 types of learning, which basically are visual learning, auditory learning, writing/reading learning, and kinesthetic learning. Now we're going to finish off the course with 37 strategies that you can use in order to support your type of learning. So we're going to talk about learning strategies for visual learners, for auditory learners, for writing/reading learners, and of course also learning strategies for kinesthetic learners. And then in the end of this course, I'm going to talk with you about the 6 pillars of education, which are mindset, multisensory intake, exploration via the 8 intelligences, so the ones that we already talked about, so linguistic, logical, mathematical, and so on. Also, we're going to talk about memorizing key elements, repetition, and reflection. So these are the topics that we are going to cover here in this course. The overall goal is to connect both sides of the brain and to increase or accelerate, let's say, the intake of the information. So alright, that was it now here for this video. If you have any questions, you can of course text me at any given time. I'm always willing and I'm always happy to answer all of your questions. Just go to the Udemy Q&A section, send me the question, and I'll give my best to get back to you within the next 24 hours. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.